Hey everybody, it's Matthew Price from the Centrotherm Marketing Department. I just want to give you the rundown on Innoflu, our UL-listed polypropylene vent system. It's the best way to exhaust toxic fumes from your high-efficiency appliances.
Unlike Schedule 40 PVC pipe and fittings, Innoflu is specifically engineered and approved for venting high-efficiency condensing boilers and water heaters. UL 1738 and ULC S636 listed by Intertek, Innoflu is available in sizes from 2-inch through industry-best 12-inch diameter, and it's rated for systems with sustained temperatures up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. You can say goodbye to messy glues and primers because with Innoflu, you simply lubricate and push the pipe and fittings together for a quick and easy connection. Also, once the installation is finished, you can immediately fire up the equipment. There's no waiting for glues and primers to cure or torquing the pipe and fittings to create pitch. We've built the pitch into the component itself. Along with a complete line of condensate management components, terminations, and accessories, Innoflu is the most comprehensive special gas vent line available. We'll even help you design and lay out your vent runs. Send us a rough sketch of the system with make and model number of the appliances to be installed, and we'll provide vent sizing, a 3D drawing, and a full bill of materials.
So take a minute and visit centrotherm.us.com/myrep and find out who carries Innoflu in your area. Or contact us directly at info@centrotherm.us.com.